Clear skies, palm trees. We've got it again in Benidorm. Finally, the rain has passed. Well, at least for today. Tomorrow there's a little shower in the forecast, and I'll discuss the upcoming weather when I arrive at the beach. So of course, with this glorious sunshine today, gotta check that out. Starting over here, red corner, on my left. A few people sitting indoors, enjoying a cup of tea. But it's lovely weather to sit outside today, enjoy some drinks, some cocktails, some buckets, which are really cheap over here. 5 Amstel, €7. Really affordable bar. And the pint is $1.50 here at the red corner bar. And let's head this way. Going past Uncle Pat's and then the Riviera bar before we arrive at the beach. Really glorious weather, and it is getting quite busy in Benidorm. More and more people getting out there. Of course, Cheltenham races coming next week. And if you are coming here or planning a visit to Benidorm in the upcoming days, please let me know in the comments below. As well, don't forget guys, please hit that like, really does help. And if you're new to the channel and want to see more of it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I'll discuss the upcoming weather when I arrive at the beach. First, show you guys how it is here today. Hey mate. Really awesome weather, lovely to sit out here, enjoying the sun, some games. Let's hope for this weather next week. Quickly let's on towards the other side when the bus has passed. See you at the Riviera bar. What a crowd down there. Still some seats left. Those will fill up quickly, it's just 1 p.m. Hiya. Boston. Cheers guys. Beautiful weather out, but let's have a look down here. And we've got the Rosamar hotel. And behind this wall is their pool. Let's see if some people are at there having a swim. Well, no one in the water, but sunbathing is okay. So that new facade of the Calypso really stands out with clear weather. Those palm trees behind it, it's beautiful. And more of their hotels are getting rebranded this way. The other one, I believe it's the Rialto, it's all the way back there in the Rincon. That's getting the same look, but then with gold. They were working on it last time I walked past it, but I will do soon a walk of it past it to show you guys how it looks nowadays. And as I've said, it's getting busier and busier in Benidorm. Buses arriving, people getting dropped off. Big touring buses, small ones. It's really getting busy down here. Especially the street. Look at how many people walking back there. Currently on my left, the glass is still closed. It has to do with the temperature. Many people walk in their t-shirts or maybe a small jacket, but it is 15 degrees, but in the sun it's lovely out. Work being done over here on the right, on the Mediterranean, next to the wine barrel. I think a new bar, new shop. 22 degrees it shows, the temperature sign, but that for sure isn't, but in the sun it is really warm. There's hardly any wind today, one of the big advantages walking between all those buildings. What a crowd walking down there. It's really busy today. I want to head up towards the end later on today. First up, I'm going to head towards the coast and then tell you more about the upcoming weather for next week. Amazing this looks like. Beautiful. Okay, but the weather for next week. We're gonna expect some showers here and there, but it all depends. Or they're gonna come past the mountains. Well, you see on this side it's very clear, the sky, but on my left and behind those buildings, there are large mountains behind Benidorm. You can see them on the left side as well. That is where the mountains usually stop. That we're very lucky for, because most of the year we have sunshine over here. There is a chance of rain. Most of the days is about 50% where rain is forecasted. Let's hope it all stays behind the mountains. We all know it on the day itself. Will it stop or will it come over? Could even change in 20 minutes. If it goes over, we're gonna have the shower, then it's just hoping it passes really quickly. If we don't, we're stuck with this weather. Beautiful. Temperature-wise, it won't be the warmest, but let's hope it'll be okay. And if there's sun, it's beautiful out to sit out in the sun. If not, plenty of bars do have indoor venues or made coverings the last few years, because the rain is getting a little bit more, I think, than we used to have. Now we've done the weather update, let's get out of the wet sand. Because yeah, it still rained this morning, like 2 hours ago, it still rained. The clouds made it past the mountains. We got hit, but now it's full on sunshine again. Don't forget, it's still March. Very early in March, it's normal to have those showers, to have that weather. Let's see the coast, the bars down here. As said, it's really busy out. The cows are prepared for the occasional showers we have. On the right, we do still have the yellow flag out. Not the best weather to swim, it's still quite cold to get in there. But for sunbathing, it's excellent. Oh, hardly any wind. If the sand dries up soon, I do expect it to be more busy in this afternoon right here. Until then, the bars are an excellent way of being entertained, doing some people watching, plenty walking by. And about every single bar and restaurant is back open again after our winter closures. Amazing weather. Well, you do have to be careful. There are still quite some puddles, some big ones here around. But if you look at this, you're instantly forgetting that. What a view, even in March. Let's hope those clouds stay there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, hit like, do subscribe. Hope to see you next time.